Welcome to Malaissa Fashion Mukbang channel. On today's menu is Popeye's chicken, some and biscuit and macaroni and cheese and the little fries. Um, Not gonna do too much of today. Okay, good. Um, Black History Month, so y'all don't forget about that. I know y'all have it. And I got some things to talk about. Seven Grace, I had to take a bite, y'all. Amen. Because we definitely need that prayer. We got orange soda. We got biscuit. And my honey out. And my little hot sauce over here. Take a bite of that leg first. How have you guys week been? Week, weekend, whichever one. I'm going to take a couple of bites and then we're going to get into it. Mm. Put that to the side. Yeah, I have never had Popeye's chicken macaroni and cheese. Never, if they did been having it on the menu, I never thought to get it. Well, pretty good. Oh, excuse me. I put the Cajun Tony's Cajun seasoning. I love putting that on my macaroni and cheese. I don't know why. Okay, that was a good bite. Yeah, I'm hungry. We've been ripping around it all day. All day. And we had to go get emergency stuff. Mm. I don't know if y'all heard, but Texas was in a disaster. It was in a disaster, a weather storm disaster. Bad. come from my hometown is Lubbock, Texas. Um, we have weather storm like that automatically. Like when it's winter, it's winter. When it's hot, it's like a desert hot. So, so I'm in Austin, Texas. Been here since I was 11 years old. Never experienced any type of, you know, anything like that. It wasn't pretty. It wasn't the snow. Let's get this straight. It wasn't the snow for us because we were glad to get snow. I've been hearing. I haven't been seeing no backlashes, but I've been hearing other, you know, people saying that they've been talking about Texas and saying that that's nothing to them. They get bigger snow. Okay, that's fine. But when a place is not prepared, they're not prepared. Now, I forgot to do a thumbnail. And then we're gonna get back to talking. Late on the thumbnail. You hear me? Anyway, I can adjust the channel. Like I was saying, I know for sure, for sure. I know Houston gets a lot of floods and stuff. Dallas do get some snow, but not to that extent. Like what happened. You know. It's not the fact of the snow. No. It's the fact that no water, no lights. That was the killing part. Yeah. That really was the killing part. And so, it's one thing to have bad weather, but it's another thing that, you know, that you don't have no working lights. I mean, because you got to survive, you know, and people can literally uh, freeze to death. And in my hometown, in my family, one of my family members, this the second one that has froze to death. That's why I say, in my hometown, it gets crucial. Like it gets cold. Like it's not gonna sit up there and play no games, And I have people in Dallas too, because when they move from Lubbock, they go straight to Dallas. Shout out to Ayo Trap. This honey is good on the chicken. Um, Shout out to Sam's World. Shout out to Damien, Flavor Dame Dash. Well, let me think. Okay. Shout out to everybody that prayed for her. Be Love Group, Facebook group, show mad love. I really appreciate that. All the prayers because we needed it. Like we literally needed it. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if because I look at it like this. When disasters happen, Texas don't sit there and make fun of not nothing serious like that. And so, it messed with some people, by people making fun of what happened in Texas and saying that, that's nothing, y'all get that all the time. I have to tell somebody, hey, it's not about the snow. We're not complaining about the snow. It's about people and babies and elderlies with no water and no electricity. Our whole hospital had no water. People crying out on Facebook they're sickly. And the hospital is so overwhelmed they wouldn't even hardly take them in. So it was serious. Might not feel serious to you guys, but it was serious. And I have never seen, Texas make fun of nobody in no disaster. If anything, we have open arms. There's been so many disasters. I, I remember Texas put us behind on some things, put a lot of people behind for, you know, to give the people that's in disaster housing, to give them assistance, to give the people that stayed in the city had to wait. Or they took them through so many changes to get the assistance. So, yeah, we never have did that. We never have made fun of any other town that I have seen. We have never did that. So y'all, please have some type of, you know, care somewhere. Yeah, I was so hungry. I'm already getting full. Hmm. I had mm, electricity and water the whole time until the end of it. They get let us have electricity but no water. Imagine that. I can do no mukbang. So all this that went on, money couldn't even buy it. Literally, it was barely motel rooms. Literally, barely motel rooms. And the motel room, they barely had water. Cause this is serious, like, and it's just not in one plant city. It was in multiple. It was actually all the way up to upstate. But their city is built for it. They build stuff for that type of weather. You know? So I'm not biting nobody's head off or nothing like that. But take into consideration that some people did die during this tragedy. They really did. They really did. Mm. Mm. See that? Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What? Not Popeye's chicken? You sleep. I gotta try him. Every time he eat, he make me want to go get some. And I be at work. I'm not gonna get none. That's how my break is. Oh yeah, I had a piece of crumb. My bad. You see what I'm saying? Uh, mm. I need glasses, y'all. Y'all got some glasses for me? Okay. But yeah, it's been a rodeo. Pandemic. It's just crazy. I don't know what to say. I did. It's not. You know, some people believe in making a New Year resolution. It's like scary to even make a new resolution. I feel like it's best just to go with the flow. But I'm still gonna make, you know, with my goals and stuff. So guys, I need to get something for. That's another thing. I need to get some. That crunchy part's so good. Um, my face, my face is broken out bad due to the mask, and I don't know nothing else to do because I wear it 8 hours at work, and then when I'm off on the weekends, I practically have to. Well, not only 2 days. I need like a week of not wearing a mask. But it's clearing up because I was actually off um, for because of the disaster. I had took a vacation, then I was actually off. Yeah, I had my bad. I had a bad headache today, and I think I waited so long to eat. It's my first time eating today. I can't wait. I'm gonna spray clean my house. Oh my god. And then the impact that it puts on you when you're used to your house clean and sterilized. You know? With the COVID going around. Yeah. So, City of Austin, I'm gonna need y'all to get with it, baby. You know, try to be possible as much as I can. But, good to say, a lot of people, lights and water came on. And I've seen in some places, like Maynard, where they use propane. So imagine them not having no heat because the people couldn't go out and fill up the propane. And that's something they have to pay for. Or like a separate bill. Yeah, I look rough. It's been a rough week, but I maintained and made it through. And you know, we made it. We made it through that storm. And that's a blessing by itself. You know? Yeah, I probably ain't gonna eat the other piece of chicken. I probably want to make it with the 20 wing challenge. You know? You know what? Because I like hot wings. So I might. Well, I don't want to be miserable after I eat it. You know? Like I seen a mukbanger do a mukbang that he had to eat, I want to say 20 eggs. I'm like, eggs run through me. So me doing that is not a good challenge for me. Not a good challenge, period. Like if I eat too many eggs, cause I love boiled egg, that'd be no good for myself. So I didn't get to cook. I had to stop at Popeyes and stuff. So yeah, I was scared to do a video due to I didn't know if they want to turn my lights off next. It's crazy. So, I even seen other mukbangers that were going through it and still pulling out content. I'm like, man, you gotta be. That's dedicated. YouTube, that's dedicated. But yeah, I think they was in Dallas or whatnot. And yeah, it was crazy. I have never been through a weather storm like that ever. But it taught you how to survive, and I got something out of it. I've been in a predicament where, you know, I ain't have my own place to stay. I had to stay in motel rooms or stay with somebody or sleep in my car, you know, and until my place was ready or until I get a place. But I always went out and got my own money. I always worked. So, you know, it puts you in the survival mode. That's it. That's it. That's it. I really did. Even though we all mad at the people that controls it. But it also taught many of people that have not been in that predicament before and actually know how to survive. You get what I'm saying? So we have to weave the COVID, we have to weave the weather storm. That's a lot, you know. So pat yourself on the back and be like, I did it. I made it. I made it. Even if you have kids, I made it. I made it with my kids. You know, that's it. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, that macaroni and cheese actually good. I wanted onion rings. I have not tried their onion rings. And then I'll be back to get their fish sandwich. I don't know why I didn't get it today because I wanted a big meal due to we really ain't been able I have not been able to cook, so I wanted something that was gonna last us. Um so that was my only thing. Um but yeah, I wanna try the fish sandwich. I am gonna try the fish sandwich pretty soon. Um I had to find me a new Popeyes because the other one I didn't like how they didn't have no gloves on. So I'm real adamant about that. Like, put on some gloves. Don't go touch the food. Then go touch the money. Then come back and touch my food. No, ma'am. But anyway, that's a whole different story. Oh, yeah. I am. I just need to get to 50 subscribers. I haven't checked today to see if I made it to 50 subscribers. But I need to make it to 50 subscribers because you know why? I want to give a good giveaway. Meaning as I want to um, clean out my MalaissaFashionz um, online boutique closet. Um, everything is still brand new. Nobody has worn it. Um, just stuff that I had left over from what because I'm more of a type of person that likes to buy when some different style come out. I don't like to dwell on the same style or the same product I have. Like I posted a couple times there, boom. Either I get rid of it or some of it or all of it. So I always have multiple different styles of clothes and accessories and stuff like that. So what I want to do on my YouTube channel is do a giveaway with those products. Um, yeah, I'm excited. So I want to get because I'm at 49 subscribers. So once I get to the 50, and I appreciate all the new subscribers, all the new views. I love it. Like I love the love that y'all have shown me. So yeah, I know it's going to be a long ride, but hey, we got this. And I want to do that giveaway. I feel like I made it to 50. I started from this from scratch. From scratch. And I'm proud of myself because I was like, man, I'm going to do this. You know, yeah, I'm going to do this. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, that I will be doing a giveaway. If they like clothes, and I will tell the size. So make sure when I do the giveaway and I put your name in the I'm gonna figure it out because it's a web. I don't have sizes for everybody. So maybe if you put your name when I do the drawing, you put your name and then your size. You get what I'm saying? Then that will be the product that you will win. You know. And I'm gonna have to figure it out. I got accessories too. So if you can't fit anything that I still have something to give away. But yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, yeah, I'm full. I am full. But yes, y'all, thank y'all so much for commenting, and that keeps me going. That keeps me to, you know, going on the channel. I know it's hard work. It ain't easy. It ain't easy for none of us. We just gotta keep going, you know. So yes, I will. Let's see. Let me see, y'all. Oh, well, I'm gonna have to wrap this thing up. I will make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see y'all guys in the next video. And yeah, make sure you tell a friend that I will be doing a giveaway. I will be doing another content telling about the giveaway. So please stay tuned, and you don't want to miss this. Bye. Love you guys.